and welcome to our short explainer video about Earned Value Management, a project management tool that can be applied to any effort to deliver a product, service, or result. EVM can be calculated using the following data points. The funds allocated at the onset of any initiative are called budget at completion, or planned value, and are risk-adjusted budget over many milestones. As a project progresses, the real work delivered is called earned value, and the costs incurred are called actual costs. The difference between earned value and planned value is the schedule variance. C, while the difference between earned value and actual costs is called the cost variance. These variances together are called lagging indicators of project health. The earned value indicates where the project is at and the gaps in what still needs to be delivered, helping the management to forecast how much more estimated time is required to deliver on this gap. To complete the project, additional time and costs may be required. It is called estimate to complete and helps management decide to allocate additional costs and time. The final cost for the project is estimated at completion. Together, the estimate to complete and estimate at completion are called leading indicators and are critical key performance indicators for the decision makers.